Look at that, guys.
Yum, guys.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Here we go.
If I want to get a tram up to Elgin Street.
So guys, we just come off of the tram, and the funny thing is, the one before, yeah, that's good news. And the one that we took before, we actually got lost. We're going the opposite direction.
Now we're going to make sure we're going the right way.
Yeah, so yeah, the African restaurant is very close by, according to Google Maps. So we're gonna walk
Check
there.
it out.
Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Trying African food for the first time. So I hope you guys are enjoying watching these videos, and if
Yes.
so,
And if you're new to the channel,
please subscribe.
subscribe to us.
Yeah,
know.
man.
Um,
Drop a comment, guys.
drop a comment. Tell us where you want us to go to next.
Yeah, which state are, you know,
State
we
or
know our country, we don't
or
know yet,
country, we don't
because
know
we
yet.
still have big plans, you know.
we still
So
have plans to
Yeah,
travel
man.
interstate
yeah,
and out of state.
yeah.
So, yeah,
Yeah, man.
let us know what you all think.
Where are we going now, babe?
Wait, we look.
Because according to Google Maps, I thought it was really close, but then we're gonna do some walking, I guess.
I think we have to go straight.
Straight.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. There's always like a. So guys, this reminds me. I've never been to the UK, but correct me if I'm wrong. But this reminds me of the UK for some reason.
Yeah, the
Like,
buildings.
The buildings
kinda
are
look-
like the surroundings.
Yeah,
Isn't
it has that
Like-
vibe for real.
Watching a movie or something.
Yeah, look at all of them.
You
That's
watch those UK channels.
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't it?
uh,
Well, they can tell me in the comment section,
Yeah.
guys.
let we know. All right.
I'm gonna ring him. I'll ring him.
Hi,
Hi, I'm wondering if you're open.
we are open.
Oh, good. Okay, we're coming. We don't know exactly where we are, but we're coming.
Okay.
All right, see you soon.
It's 178 Drummond Street.
Say it again.
178 Drummond Street in Carlton.
In Drummond Street in Carlton. Okay.
Drummond, D-R-U,
Okay. Drone.
Drummond.
Okay. Now I want a goosey. You have a goosey?
Yeah.
Oh
Yes,
my
I'm
gosh.
there, I'm not there. There are people there, we have a goosey here.
Okay. All right. I'm coming. Okay.
no
Bye.
worries. Bye.
Here we go, African food. Guys, comment down below if you ever have African food before, guys. At the first time for me, you know. First time.
Drummond Street.
Jamoin.
Drone Street.
We're going, guys. We're really close though. This looks like we're taking a U-turn, man. Where are we, baby? Let's show the people the map. Guys, I don't even know what to say. Yo, Google Maps is confusing at times, especially when you're doing walking. It really gets more
Let's go
confusing.
straight and see.
Alright, let's go. So guys, we just see a few Africans just getting at them car down there, so. And they smell food from far, so we know, say, yo, the restaurant is close.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's close.
No, maybe we should ask them, babe, because
No.
it's something else.
They would know, but they're on the other side of the road anyway, so. Yeah. We're getting close according to Google. Well, we took a big U-turn and here we are again, according to Google.
Straight.
So guys, we just asked two Africans. I didn't get it on camera, but yeah, they say the restaurant is straight ahead. You know, so, and literally we took a U-turn because this is where we came from.
Yeah.
Right down here we came from, took a U-turn, go all the way and come back.
Oh boy.
Oh my God.
Oh, here, babe. Oh my God.
Oh shoot, this is it right here?
Yeah.
Oh.
What
What
could have
a
asked
thing.
this girl. Maybe she knew. We were lost about the
African restaurant.
We could have asked you. I don't know. It's so good. Is it?
Yeah?
Cool. Awesome.
Oh.
Thank you.
Alright, there you have it. She said it's so good there. Let's try it out,
Let's
guys.
try it out, guys.
I don't know what to have. Well, let's see. So this is the name, Adonai Foods. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh yeah. It's cold.
It's nice. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's cold out here. Here we are, guys. Yeah.
They got their prosecco.
Oh, really? So? They have all their spices and things. Little Lagos in Carlton, Melbourne. Smile.
Oh wow, Nigerian palm oil too, guys. Nice. Definitely condensed milk. Nice. And spices. Custard powder. Oh, and Maggie. Maggie's good. Nice. Beautiful.
Yeah. I don't even know where to start. It's my first time here, you know. Yeah. So what's your go-to? What would you recommend? I'm from Jamaica and it's my first time trying African food.
Have you had pounded yam before?
I've had yam before, but not pounded.
That's probably the most popular one.
That's what I was
Okay.
saying.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I've tried it before,
Yeah.
Nigerian food,
Yeah.
once before, but it's been a very long time.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
So either the pounded yam or the jollof rice.
Okay.
jollof rice. Oh,
And then the yam porridge down there is this one here. So that's
Okay.
yam just mixed with, I'm not even sure.
Can I ask you, where do you get your yam?
It's all imported from Nigeria.
Oh, for
Really?
real?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So, like sometimes there's a shortage, sometimes,
Okay,
That's
awesome.
good.
All right, cool. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the.
You can get two different
Yeah,
things.
we'll get
and-
this. Yeah,
yeah,
we'll
and
try. Yeah. So panda yam with egusi, egusi.
Yeah.
plus egusi, yeah.
Yeah, plus egusi.
And did you just want beef with it? Or did you want like the stripe, the cow leg?
Do you want the cow and all that? Like.
Yeah, yeah.
We're used to
Yeah,
that.
I love that.
We'll try that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like Jamaica.
Yeah, true. Do you guys listen to dancehall and reggae?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Yeah.
More like Afrobeat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love Afrobeat.
I need one. Sorry.
All right.
Yeah.
And then you want to get, what else do you want to get? Because that was that one.
Yeah.
And then
Not completely.
jollof rice. You wanna try?
Yeah.
We'll get jollof rice with chicken.
Yeah.
Yep. And what's your Nigerian drink we want to try?
There's palm wine and then there's malt.
Palm wine and malt.
Hey, you drink malt.
Yeah, malt. Basically, yeah.
Okay, we'll get the malt.
Yeah. Two.
I'll probably try the palm wine.
You want the palm? Okay.
Yeah, because
So
I've never
one
had
palm
that.
wine, one malt.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And just a Coke maybe for the liquor one. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll grab you the drink now.
Yeah.
And I'll bring everything outside.
We'll just sit
Might be a
down.
little bit of a wait.
Yeah, that's all right. no
Yeah,
problem.
that's alright.
Take your time.
And
It took us forever to find you.
Yeah, Google Maps took us around the world.
Yeah. No, that's all right. It's Google.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's amazing, guys. I love what I'm seeing here.
Yeah.
just be sure to shake the palm wine up before you like
Okay.
drink it because there's like stuff at the bottom. that's
Yeah.
supposed to be right.
Okay.
I'll give you the thing. Yep.
Ah,
Okay.
But yeah,
Respect.
technically, yeah.
Alright.
Awesome. Let's
Here we
sit
go.
down.
Thank you.
Alright.
Seat. Yeah, let's sit here.
Baby.
Baby.
Hey guys, we're here.
Yeah. This is the whole
We're gonna try.
restaurant, African restaurant, guys. Yeah.
You gotta really shake it up, babes.
Yeah. Is it all of it we have to? So this is something that Nigerians drink a lot, I'm guessing.
So if you're Nigerian, and you know what Emu, Atuba, and Nukenu, I don't know how to say it,
Yeah.
is.
Let us know.
Let us know.
Yeah.
Let's try this.
Alright, so here we go, guys. Palm wine for the first time.
So you've seen this before, Palmy?
I've never. It's the first time,
Restaurant
and
Island. Sit down
and
island.
I'm just gonna try it out today, guys. Let us know if you ever had it.
Okay, ready? Guys, we're gonna cheers. Island, no. Ready?
He's not. Alright, give him some.
No more fizzy drink.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Alright, ready? Ooh.
Yeah, it's gonna come.
Yeah, but I'd rather take the gas out of it.
Yeah.
Too gassy for in there. Yeah. You want apple? I've got apple for you. Alright guys, ready? We're gonna cheers first. We have to cheers. Where's the cheers, Papa? Alright, ready? Cheers for Palmy.
Cheers.
Papa.
Cheers.
Cheers, Dada. Cheers, Dada.
Good boy. Let's try it. It's actually, yeah, it's really good.
It's like salsa.
I'm trying to pick up the taste, but it tastes nice.
Do you have that on you or outside?
I don't even. It's on you. It's on you. Tastes good. Yeah, guys, it's a thumbs up for me. Yeah. What you
Thumbs
think?
up.
Yeah. I wonder what's the ingredient? It's made of tropical palm tree as a place in traditional African ceremonies, cloudy in appearance and believed to be healthy. Oh, really? That's good to know.
That's good to know. But it tastes to me like soursop. Like a drink we drink in Jamaica.
I'm trying to
It's a soursop
think of the taste. Yeah, thank you.
You get another one or no?
Yeah, did you want
You get another one. Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. Food ready. Yo. African food for the first time, man. I'm excited. Let's go. Looks nice.
Here comes another one. Yum, guys.
Island.
Soil.
So what's this called again, babe? I forgot already.
It's candied yam
Yeah.
with egusi, and that's cow beef and just a mixture of fish and everything. That you're gonna really love that.
Can't wait.
Trust me. I had this a very long time ago, guys. Like I'm talking going back a good couple of years ago, and since then I've always had that flavor in my head.
Yeah.
I'll never forget it.
Yeah,
It's
wait.
exotic.
Oh, yes.
I love it.
Okay, so I just washed my hand and babe just gone there to wash her hands because you know African food you eat with your hands a lot, so and I just washed mine. So yeah guys, I'm gonna try this in a bit, so stay tuned and we'll let you know what it tastes like. Yeah man. Bobo trying. You look at the way he is. It's new to him.
Don't spit it out.
He's not used to it, guys. Alright, let's try. So that's pounded yam.
Yeah, this is pounded yam, guys. And
That's
then
my.
you go like this.
I would
Dip it in.
never expect yam to look like that when it's
Dip it
pounded.
in like that. Yeah.
Yo, here we go.
Do you guys have the body like that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling. Sorry.
Alright, so get a bit of the sauce as well.
Ooh, yeah.
But yeah,
What you know?
but yeah. Here guys, the shot. Nice flavor, spice and everything. Wow. Yeah. I don't know, at first I eat it, but I don't know if there's any rules to eating this. It actually have a flavor of like mackerel as well too. And the beef and all of that, you can taste all of it. Man. And the rice here as well. Let me try the rice. It's like a seasoned rice.
Maybe Bubba will eat the chicken and rice.
I like the flavor in the rice, man.
Yeah,
It's nice. Wow. Yeah, it's a vibe, guys. When I'm like, let's just try. Chicken. Really good.
Rice? No?
Oh, guys, the food nice. When I like, it's nice. Right now, we just like up.
You're gonna polish yourself, guys.
Yeah, you might just get a time lapse. I swear, this is nice. So. We have to try this. Anyway, we go on African restaurant, again, we have to try this.
Chicken? Yeah, that's what I wanted to try, is like beef.
Don't mind me, you know.
Worth getting lost for.
Yeah, this part is hard to bite. That's hard to bite. That's solid. Let's try biting it. Let's try biting it. That shit is hard. Just like the grizzle. This right here, guys, is very hard to chew, but it's really good. You know? No KFC, no Macca's, this is just good food. Guys,
I was just about to tell Babe how full I am.
guys, crime scene left. You know, some evidence left over there, so still, but crime scene, yeah, so.
Gone.
Yeah, man.
Polished.
Guys, the food really good, man. I like. First time, you see me? And me enjoy it, I recommend it, and 10 out of 10, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask the guy if he can roll out of bed for me and Babe. We're gonna sleep right here. I'm so
That's
full.
where you feel like walk right now. Cha-cha. Yeah, man.
I'm gonna walk up that hill back to the train
Imagine
station.
that. Yo, we can't even eat it all, but we all like, think we get takeaway as well and bring home. Let's eat. So yeah.
10 out of 10, guys.
Yeah, man.
Come down to Melbourne.
Yeah, if you ever visit Melbourne.
Yeah, if you're ever visiting Melbourne.
Yeah.
Come to Adonai restaurant. Best.
Yeah, man. Recommend. Alright, so we're about to leave now, guys. And
We're about to go, guys. So remember to check out Adonai.
That's their number there. Free promotion, yeah? Free promotion.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Apparently we're all over TikTok right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great, man. Yeah,
This one here.
that's what they have here.
Yeah. So the pounded jam with egusi is 25. What is it? Yeah. 25? What the hell?
That's sweet plantain chips here as well, guys.
NJ, what are you doing, NJ? How did you get here so fast?
Exactly, when did you start a restaurant here?
Start a restaurant, NJ.
Duff plus chicken is 20.
Brother, I look like you.
One is 20. The most is $4.80. $2.